This 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home is located in a quiet area, but only a short distance to shopping, dining, and entertainment. Desirably situated on a cul-de-sac lot, this home is ready for its new owners to move in and enjoy everything it has to offer. Entering the living room, the vaulted ceiling beautifully opens the space where you can spend movie nights with family and friends. Open to the living room, the formal dining room is the perfect area to share a meal or continue hosting friends over with a game of cards. The nice-sized kitchen offers beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of countertop space for your culinary delight. The spacious master suite features a tray ceiling, walk-in closet, and a bath with updated vanity and fixtures. In the back of the home, the privacy-fenced backyard is a great area for entertainment, no matter what the season. Come over to the Stonefield Subdivision and see this gem before it slips away. Contact Harris Laddick for more information.